Look at the river's up.
That's why I said do not enter.
And because over there is the way you come in. It's a one way, but it just says do not enter so people won't. You want to walk over there?
Been down here. Weird, huh?
Look. Look at the river. You want to see the river?
Yeah.
Come on, Marley. Let's go down here. You want to see the river? I wouldn't want to try to fish in the river right now.
No. Look at these big old trees.
Marley's got to check out this spot. You're not going to find food up here. I don't think anybody's been out eating in the rain, bud. Huh? Well, you wouldn't want to try to come down here and fish right now. Did you get in the mud? Oh, look, there's a trail right there.
Yeah, you want to take it?
Sure.
All right, we'll follow you.
Come on, Marley. Come on, Marley. This way, baby. Come over here. It's a little walkway anyway. I mean, it might not be a trail. Go slow, go slow. One at a time, one at a time. Look at that big old drop off. That wouldn't be cool. Marley, I'm going to keep you away from the river now. We're not going swimming. Don't let Brownie no further. Don't, That's enough. He's crazy. Hold it slow, slow, slow.
That's going to be muddy for me.
No, that's why I tell Marley, no, this is not. There's a picnic area over here. That's muddy down there. That's what I told you. Hey, look, there's a few spots you can go fishing. I wouldn't try to fish now.
Ooh, you might want to videotape that. Look at that, Brian.
I know, that's what I said. Look.
That is insane. It's a high river.
That's how much rain we've got.
Like 80 feet of rain.
Yeah. They're looking to see what they can get into more. Look, there's a way down that way. Look, too. You can go down that way to go fish.
Yes, that looks too comfortable.
Well, right now it's muddy. That's pretty cool. You come out over here where the picnic area is. There's a spot right here. Now look, right here's some stairs to get down there. Whoa, Marley, don't take me down in the mud.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, right there's stairs.
Oh, yeah.
That's where I was telling you. Look how clean that is right now. Now's the time to do it. I bet you could fish right there.
Oh, dude, there are stairs.
I bet you could fish right there. The water's a little bit more
Yeah.
smooth right now.
The other side of the road.
Huh?
Yeah, on the other side of the road, there's some good spots.
No, I've not seen a good spot on the other side. I tried to fish over here on the other side. Yeah, I didn't get a bite. All I got was my pole. My line got took way downstream. It's more swift over there than it is over here. More when it's not so bad, it's more still water. I still would like for us to come out here and have some kind of event one day. Have an event. See, look, there's a spot over there you can walk too. I mean, we're not going to go over there, but you can look. Come here, Brady, let's look. See, it's like a spot to walk down. I mean, they get steep, but hey.
Oh. Now, there's a spot you can cast.
There's a spot down there you could have cast. It had stairs. This don't. This just has roots. Come on, Molly.
It works, it works. You want to walk around the outside? Or?
Yeah, we're going to walk on the outside now.
Okay, you want to walk on the road?
We can, yeah. I mean, we're just Hey, check it out. That was one way
Yeah.
right there. Oh, yeah, that's right. That is a one way.
Down in- All the times I've been here, I
So you can come down this way and turn this way, but you can't. Yeah. Because see, this is one way. I don't think this is always one way, but I think they've updated it.
What do you do with it?
The dogs.
Oh.
This is all about Marley and Brownie. Is that a spot up there? Is like that where like a grill up there in the middle?
Yeah.
I've never even went up there. Yeah, we got plenty of them.
Yeah, it's like an open grill, like the other one. That one has
I bet that'd be cool. We'll have to come out here and grill one time. Come here, baby. You know? No. Wait a minute. Don't get on the road. Somebody's coming through. I've never seen paying attention to that big old field over there either.
What?
Never paid no attention to that field over there.
Way over there.
They got more picnic tables. Some of those look like they're,
Oh, the metal one?
yeah.
Maybe. There's a metal one over there. Dang, boy.
What?
Don't wait till
Brownie, hold on. Daddy's got a stone in his foot. Marley smells something. He's got to look into it. Marley's on a prowl. Did you find it? He's trying to sniff it out. Oh, found it. I found it first.
Oh, the other one.
Somebody didn't clean up their dogs.
I bet those little charcoal things are expensive.
I don't remember. I mean, you can get them at Walmart.
Yeah.
Yeah.